Hello guys. It's lunchtime. So no, it's not lunchtime yet. Ano pa to? Oh yeah, it's gonna be like lunchtime because it's 11 a.m. and look, wala masyadong tao now guys kasi parang ano pa siya, wala pang, hindi pa siya ayan, ayan. Andito parang andito yata, saan kaya yung ano, nalilito tuloy ako guys. Dapat pala papunta ako sa ano sa next. Kakalor ka? Ay nako. Ayan, nandito na yung mga ano, Christmas decan. Dito na yung mga Christmas tree. Dito maganda yung ano dito guys, mga damit. This is from Next Boys and Girls. And then there is for women and men.
Lift going up.
It's going up.
Door closing. Level 1.
Level 1. It's level 1 na. Ayan. Dito na yung Victoria's Secret. Tsaka Next. Kasunod lang sila. Maganda yung mga ano gamit nila. Dito guys, see? Ayan, nandiyan ang River Island at saka Sephora. Ngayon ako, pupunta akong kung saan-saan. Ito maganda to, Victoria's Secret. John Lewis and Partners, Fennec, Boots and Emmy, and M&S and more shops. HMV. Ayan. Oh, Babology. Superdry State. Ito na guys, oh. Ang ganda ng ano. Naka-purple siya. Naka-purple lights, stars. And Millis cookies. Dito yung Eldon Brothers. Mustafa. Costa. Therapy. clinic. And this is it. Meron siyang Boost, Juice Boss, Thompson. Ito yung Class. La Visa. Watch. Swatch. Oh. Nawala na yung ano dito guys. Yung jewelries and watches. So, andito yung sketches. Molten Brown London. Swarovski. Accessorize Kiko. And Typo. Medyo marami-raming mga tao ngayon guys. At hindi naman masyadong marami. It's Friday today. So later on, marami na tong mga mag-ano dito. Iinom-inom. With hard coffees. Beaver Boats. John Louis. USA Sports. Beaver Boats. 50% off Black Friday sale. Grabe. Oh. Are you a winner? Black Friday. Here is the Krispy Kreme. Ang sarap ng Krispy Kreme kasi nga lang sobrang tamis. I don't like matamis guys. Gusto ko lang yung savory lang siya. Okay? Ayan. Dito na ako sa Fennec at saka M&S. There you go. Charles Click Card. Foot Locker. Ernest Jones The Fragrance Shop. Sunglass Hut. The Works. Ito naman ang Vision Shops. Express. Mankind. Warren James is always on sale, guys. They're always on sale, guys. So, what they like. Okay. Dito na tayo sa labas. Ayan, oh. Halton Square. Here we go. Nandyan yung Primark. Jeans. Dateman. McDonald's. People's Price. Vintage Base. At Mark and Spencer's. Ayan. Minsan nakaka lula tumingin guys. Lalo na't pag ubos ang pera ko. Is ubos. Okay. Oh guys. Okay guys, mga loves, see you later. Bye.